Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to the Crafty Bird. I hope you are all doing fine. Today's tutorial is about this mini planter. So let's get started. To make this mini planter, you need a metal ring and 4 cords of 60 inches, folded in half. Now you need to make a gathering knot. Like this. Cut these cords. Make spiral knots till 3 inches on both sides. So we made these spiral knots both rows 3 inches from this gathering knot. Now just pair up everything like these two, make a simple knot, and the distance between the spiral knots and this knot is almost 3 inches. A simple knot. So we just paired up like this. Now after checking the distance, you can tight everything. So we just pair up the cords, 2 cords, like 2 here, 2 here, 2 here, and then we will cross pair these like this and like this, and we will just make simple knots. This. This, and once you check the distance, then you will tie these knots, and this. Now we will just make a gathering knot after leaving a 1 inch space here, and that's how we will complete this planter. Trim the tail. So this is our mini plant hanger, which is almost ready. We just need to embellish this by some beads. So here is a very thick knot, and I will add few beads here. This, and pick your planter, sew it right here. It should hang in the middle of your planter. Leave a very little gap, like this is more, and just sew it tightly. So we just completed our project today. I hope you love this mini planter. Till the next tutorial, please take care of yourself, and please subscribe to my channel, like it and share it. Thank you so much for watching. Khuda Hafiz.